African morning breaks, revealing one of nature's most extraordinary partnerships, a timeless ritual on the savanna. The silence is broken. The oxpecker's sharp warning calls echo across the savanna. Deep within the golden grass, the king lies hidden. But the savanna holds no secrets. As the rhino emerges, the red-billed oxpecker gets straight to work, meticulously clearing parasites from the thick hide. While the buffalo grazes, the watchful oxpecker detects a subtle shift in the water. What predator waits beneath the quiet surface? As the flames advance, the savanna's inhabitants face a desperate choice. This rhinoceros and its companions sense the approaching danger. As the flames advance, the savanna's inhabitants face a desperate choice. This rhinoceros and its companions sense the approaching danger. In a moment of crisis, the bond between the rhino and the tiny bird is tested. Oxpecker guides the rhinoceros toward the safe escape route. The giant follows without hesitation, showcasing a remarkable trust. Having escaped the flames, the rhinoceros finds sanctuary in the lush grasslands, an island of green amidst the destruction. A massive wall of fire tears across the savanna, leaving the white rhinoceros trapped. But
the great Indian rhinoceros, exhausted by the wildfire, finds peace at the water's edge. Before sunrise, The first soft blue light appears across the horizon.
The Javan rhinoceros arrives at the familiar watering hole, only to find the devastating reality of the dry season. The red-billed oxpecker provides an invaluable service, cleaning the rhinoceros while guiding the giant across the endless grassland. A truly majestic sight. The great white rhinoceros takes a deep drink from the cool spring. A difficult journey ends in a peaceful moment as the rhino accepts the close company of the ever-present oxpecker.
Here in the dense grasslands of Java, the young calf thrives.
Together they walk, a testament to life's enduring spirit against the backdrop of this breathtaking sunset.
This tiny bird plays a crucial role, meticulously removing parasites while the protective mother stands guard nearby.
Under the vast expanse of the night sky, the ancient acacia offering.
The white rhinoceros, once hunted to the brink, now sleeps soundly under the watchful eye of its companion, the red-billed oxpecker. The red-billed oxpecker, a trusted companion. Landing now on the young calf, a bond. The setting sun casts long shadows across the savanna as the rhinoceros family makes its timeless journey toward the horizon.